Hello everybody, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. If you look at the Apple chart, Apple comes out with earnings last night, and what we're going to see today is we're going to see Apple with a head and shoulders formation starting to push back the other way. This is a dangerous situation if in fact it gets going, and that is if you look at it, you kind of have a perfect, almost perfect head and shoulders setup, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You come up on less volume here. All the things that, if you look at the classical Edwards and McGee, this is pretty much the classical setup in that you go up and you start back down, less volume on the down. Now, we are going to see volume expand here, so it may end up being kind of non-classical in that you don't have the volume set up correctly. But if that ABCD structure completes, you're down in here somewhere. What does it mean from a neoclassical perspective? Well, on a neoclassical perspective, it's a little bit different, and that is that it may not complete. And the reason for that is you have a bullish retest regenerate right here. The bad part about it is it's already tested once. That first test on a breakout that takes more than 6 bars, that's about a 90+%, right? This test was about a 90+% buy, and you see what it did off that test. That was the purchase, and we actually bought it there. Unfortunately, we didn't sell it all, and we're going to take a hit on it today. But that setup, as it comes back the next time, which is what it's going to do today, as it comes back into here, that's going to be the retest regen. It's still got about a 60-61% chance that it's going to actually hold and try to regen again higher. If it doesn't, look out, because there's nothing until you get back into this bar. So that's the test, that's the setup, and this bar then, if you look at it, right, says, hey, not ABC, but that head and shoulders setup here, it is going to try to fulfill. It's going to try to actually do what the classic head and shoulders does, and that is generate lower, right, break the neckline, push on down, push down, full extension down to this area. What's the probability? Neoclassical says about 61% it won't do it. We'll see which way it rolls. That is today's short take.